chief, give me knife. You got kush, fuck the knife, just give me light. Spark it up in my grown room, pretty sight. Got a house on the hill, we the gritty type. You ain't got kush, man, what a shitty life. I don't wanna hit your bowl on your mini pipe. Trying to hit my 8-footer, reach Diddy heights. Now I'm swinging on the drums like Tarzan. Incorporate the weed through my bars, man. 16 of them, I be meaning them. On stage screaming them, PRC screening them. They call me Green Thumb, the serene one. I lay back on the drum like a beach bum. Shit is hot as summer, another classic number. Everybody give it up for the funky drummer. And the beat goes on, and the beat goes on and on and on. And the beat goes on.
Here come the West Coasters, wildin' out local. My eyeballs bleed from the weed I be smoking. Keep walking, son, I keep this arm hostile. Mad weaponry, I bring by the stockpile. Way too deep, my block legendary. Many MCs tried to creep and got buried. Here come the Cypress, back with the tightest. Man behind the kid, we know you gon' like this. Roll with the top dog, do it like a rock star. Stuffing them up, a double dose of hot sauce. You got your ears on, and you're listening to bad motherfuckers in this here business. Handle shit right, get your stack on. Anybody hating, it's that fool that you smash on. Gonna say it last time, and I'm gonna jump. It'll make a bang, give the drummer some.
And the beat goes on, and the beat goes on and on and on. And the beat goes on, and the beat goes on and on and on. And the beat goes on, and the beat goes on and on and on. And the beat goes on, and the beat goes on and on and on. Shit is critical, we are the invincible. Riot starters starting riots on principle. At the pinnacle, the game is winnable. Put the record on the table, guaranteed spinnable. Follow the leader, the level is going off the meter. The funk freaker with the big drum beater. What you scared for? Better prepare yourself for the time of your life. We are in rare form.